most apps just don't get it. If you've been looking for a way to learn Urdu, you probably realize that most of the big apps don't have this language. And if you do manage to find an app that teaches Urdu, most of the time it looks like a boring textbook. Today, I'm showing you the best app to learn Urdu. And I'll explain why it's the best app to get you speaking right from day one. The app I'm talking about is called Ling. You can start your 7-day free trial with the app today by clicking the link in the description. We've also added timestamps for you here, so it's easier for you to quickly look through. Let's start with the most critical part of learning a new language, which is, of course, audio.
आप कैसे हैं?
Most apps use TTS or text-to-speech robots. It's cheaper for them, but let me tell you why it's bad for you. Because if you learn from a robot, you end up sounding like one. But that's what sets Ling apart from other apps. Ling works closely with native speakers when creating the courses and when recording the audio. This is really helpful for every language, but most especially tonal ones, because you're hearing real people speak with their real accents. It's the best way to get your ear tuned to the natural rhythm of the language right from day one without having to go out and speak to a native face-to-face. But hearing it is one thing and using it in context is completely different. Ling doesn't just throw random vocabulary at you like other apps. Ling built their lessons around context. Understanding the what, when, where, and why are key parts to learning a new language. They design each lesson to match the real-world situation you need with the right amount of gamification to lead your learning journey. And the order of the lessons makes sense because the first sentences you learn are the ones that you'll get to use right away. Like, asking for directions, very important. Calling for help in case of an emergency, even more important. Ordering food, the most important. But being completely honest, even if the lessons are amazing, staying motivated is really hard. That's why I personally love Ling's banana points and streak features. These features help you to learn your language daily and progress better. Every lesson you complete earns you banana points. And these points definitely just aren't for you to see. They push you up the global leaderboard so you can compete with other learners. Ling also has a daily streak counter, but they give you just the right amount of push every day to get you to open the app at least once a day. Even if it's just a 5-minute break from doom scrolling on social media. Just doom scrolling. Well, with all these features, will they teach you how to actually speak? That's what Ling's Chatbot aims to do. It's an interactive conversation partner, and it's meant to simulate real life. You listen to the native speaker, you give your answer, and then the app just gives you instant feedback. How cool is that? This helps you put yourself in that situation before you actually talk to somebody. So when the time comes that you need to use the language, you're a lot more confident. It is the perfect way to practice conversation without the anxiety of talking to a stranger before you're ready. Finally, it makes sure you aren't just learning how to speak. Ling also includes writing lessons, allowing you to trace characters directly on your screen. Now that we've gone over all of Ling's key features, I want to let you know that this app is also built with cultural and linguistic respect. Your language matters, and with Ling, we can keep your language alive. Thank you so much for watching, and please give Ling a try if you want to master the accent and speak confidently. The premium version is paid, but if you want to give it a go before committing, you can click the link in the description for a free 7-day trial. We hope you have a great language learning journey.